look, this is a sad thing to be going through, okay? Just hear me out. This is sad to be going through what you're going through. Everyone feels sad, but you have to change that sadness into happiness. I was a bit sad in the beginning, but I'm just reminding myself now to change, because I've been seeing some depressing cases, so I was really feeling upset. But the shayateen wants you to be sad. Do you understand? Yeah. The shayateen wants you to be sad. This is not for me or for you, no, like to kind of be happy here, but you have to do this for yourself. Everything I'm telling you is for you to do yourself. Yeah. Signs of jinn leaving, you do it for yourself. Your emotional, mental being is for yourself. You need to change being from sadness into becoming happy. And remember the reward that you get from Allah. Just imagine the jinn is there listening to your thoughts. And he knows that you're counting the ajr that you're getting for being patient. You're getting the ajr every second of the day. Every second, minute of the day. You're getting 1 ajr, 2nd ajr, 2 ajr, 3 ajr, 4 ajr. All day you're just getting ajr because you're patient. The reward for it is immense. You keep repeating that to yourself. He would lose the plot. Or she would lose the plot. He's the cause of you getting the reward. Like, look, see how you change the situation? But they have to believe that you believe that. See how you had doubt about putting the oil? Now you have to believe that he is the cause of you getting a state or place in paradise that you wouldn't got with your deeds. You would get only with your patience. And some people get confused, oh, I'm going to stay like this then. No, you still have to take the means to get rid of it. Because like we said earlier, it's not the fact they will just block you from having children or block you from success of work or education. They want to block you from entering paradise. Yeah. They will stay with you to the last second of your breath, just to make you commit what? Shirk. That's the ultimate goal. So don't be distracted from that. Barakallahu feekum. And subhanallah bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfirullah wa atubu ilayk.